What up, Robo Gang? Welcome back to 5968, the Little Apple Cyborgs. Today with me I have Andrew and Jack, and of course I'm your president, Dawson. Today we're doing something special. We have an unboxing. We got a whole shipment of parts from West Coast, Andy Mark, all of the above. And today we each have one box for each of us to open and talk about.
Mine's bigger.
His is the biggest. All right, Andrew, how about you start us off first?
Okay.
Let's see what we got here. Paper! Oh, paper! Oh. Looks like in this box we have some battery connectors, some more battery connectors, and some fuses. These are important for our power distribution board, getting that running on our new robot.
Nice.
Now, this one. It's a long one. Ooh. We got some 1x1 channel tubing.
Wow.
Perfect for our turret, anything else on our frame. Alright, Jack. Your turn. You got the big one. Churros. They're like axles, but better. And they're a lot more yummy. We got some bolts for the churros. Got flywheels. Big heavy metal wheels. Perfect for our shooter. And if Jack can shake out what's
Paper.
left, we got some paper and a crap ton of wheels.
Wow.
Alright, make sure to check out the rest of what our team's up to, what we're going to put these parts to use for, and yeah, just the rest of our season progress. Now Benton has a special message.
Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Comment down below if you want to see more unboxings in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.